Hello, today I'm going to show you how to deactivate the start-stop system of your Audi A4 or S4 Avant, of course temporarily. We are sitting in the driver's seat and our start-stop automatic function is enabled every time. If we are going to switch off this because we're in a traffic jam or something else, and you do not need that system anymore. You can see in the center console on the front side where the ESP button is, there is another button, the start stop system button for switch on or switch off that system. If you push it there, an LED will show you that it is to be deactivated, and the engine will running until the fuel consumption is is done with the fuel in the tank, of course. If you are going to get back the start-stop automatic function, you can switch off and then switch on the device again. It will be enabled automatically. Or you push the button to switch that manually on, of course. So you can switch off the start-stop system if it is necessary for you. Of course, you cannot delete that feature or delete that start-stop function feature because it is a component of your car to save fuel and CO2 emissions, of course. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Sun.